Introduce features highlight about SDonestep Apple CarPlay wireless adapter fit for all factory Apple CarPlay cars. Convert wired to wireless CarPlay dongle, plug and play, 5 GHz Wi-Fi chip. Low latency. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Superior convenient wireless CarPlay adapter converts your factory CarPlay to wireless, plugged it in, connected via Bluetooth and it instantly worked. It starts up quickly. Has no issues in terms of lag, and allows you much more flexibility than if you had to plug your phone in every time you got in the car. It's awesome to get in the car and instantly have AirPlay connected with your phone in your pocket. OEM Apple CarPlay system wireless CarPlay dongle supports touch screen control, original car button, steering wheel control, knob control, and Siri voice assistant to adjust the volume or take calls anytime while driving, ensures safe driving. This wireless Apple CarPlay only supports Apple CarPlay Auto. Only supports Apple phones. Supported vehicles and phones. 3.0 CarPlay wireless adapter compatible with all factory Apple CarPlay cars, such as Toyota, Honda, Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, and so on. The Apple Wireless CarPlay adapter also works with iPhones from 5 to 13 Pro Max, and new machines running iOS 7.1 or higher. 5 GHz Wi-Fi chips. The wireless Apple CarPlay adapter use 5 GHz Wi-Fi, more advanced technology, enhanced Wi-Fi signal, lower noise, no lag, great audio, no power cords. Support for voice control, Siri, GPS navigation app, online music app, phone calls, music app, messages, and so on. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.